2025 Honda Civic continues its legacy as a reliable, stylish, and performance-driven compact car. With an aggressive new design, advanced technology, and enhanced performance, the latest Civic sets a new benchmark in its class. Whether you're looking for efficiency, comfort, or sporty driving dynamics, the 2025 Honda Civic delivers an outstanding driving experience. Bold exterior design. The Honda Civic 2025 features a sleek and aerodynamic body with a low, wide stance for improved handling. The bold front grille, redesigned LED headlights with DRLs, and sporty sculpted but give it a futuristic and aggressive look. The Sport trim models come with a carbon fiber front splitter, blacked-out accents, and side skirts, adding to its dynamic presence. Available in striking colors like crystal black pearl and sonic gray pearl, the Civic remains a head-turner on the road. Luxurious and tech-loaded interior. Step inside the 2025 Civic, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and an ergonomic layout. The seats are wrapped in leather or suede with red stitching, while ambient lighting creates a modern atmosphere. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, alongside a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, provides seamless access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda's advanced navigation system. The Bose premium sound system, wireless charging pad, and dual-zone climate control further enhance convenience and comfort. The Sport trim models add aluminum pedals, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and paddle shifters for a performance-inspired feel. Powerful and efficient performance. The 2025 Honda Civic comes with multiple engine options, ensuring the perfect balance between power and efficiency. 2.0L IVTEC 4-cylinder, producing 158 horsepower, ideal for daily commuting. 1.5L turbocharged VTEC, generating 180 horsepower, offering a sportier drive. Civic Si, featuring a high-output turbocharged engine, providing 200-plus horsepower for an exhilarating ride. Civic Type R, equipped with a 2.0L turbocharged engine, pushing over 320 horsepower, built for track-level performance. The CVT and 6-speed manual transmission options give drivers complete control, while the Sport-tuned suspension ensures